Welcome back, and today we'll be finding out how one baby got a custom CRISPR fix and why it changes everything. Okay, so imagine this. You're newborn, and within days of entering the world, doctors tell your parents you have a rare genetic disorder. So rare it affects like 1 in a million. And instead of offering meds or surgery, scientists say, hey, let's custom edit your DNA. Yeah, this actually happened. And no, this isn't Black Mirror. It's the first ever personalized CRISPR gene therapy, literally made for one human in record time. Baby was diagnosed with CPS1 deficiency, a disorder where the liver can't properly break down ammonia, which, if you remember your bio class, is very bad because ammonia is toxic to the brain. So doctors didn't just stop at, yep, your liver's confused. They sequenced the baby's entire genome and found a single letter mutation in the CPS1 gene. One rogue letter in a 3 billion letter manual. It's always the little ones causing the trouble. Now comes the cool part, fixing the mutation. The team could have gone full on traditional CRISPR, which works by cutting DNA and hoping it glues itself back together nicely. But in a baby's liver? Not ideal. We don't want oops moments inside vital organs. So they use something more elegant, base editing. Think of it as a molecular spell checker. Instead of slicing, it gently swaps wrong letters, kind of like correcting garb to Gary, without burning the whole sentence down. It changes one base, like A to G, without breaking the strand. Much safer, much cleaner. Enter lipid nanoparticles. These are like tiny fat bubbles that deliver genetic instructions directly into liver cells. They injected the therapy via IV because, again, this gene is gene therapy for an infant, not Tony Stark's nanotech. Now, you're probably wondering, how did they get approval for this? Well, they did, and surprisingly fast. Because this baby's condition was crucial, the team got special case permission for a compassionate use case. Basically, it was a let's try this because we literally have no other options. Even better, they designed, tested, manufactured, and delivered this treatment all in 6 months. That's like biotech warp speed. After the infusion, the baby started tolerating more protein, needed fewer ammonia busting meds, and didn't crash during a couple of normal kid illnesses. The translation is that the therapy worked. The liver's doing its job. There were no major side effects, and no sci fi mutations, just, functioning biochemistry. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal here? You gotta understand this was not just a win for one baby, it was a proof of concept for something huge. Personalized genetic medicine. Not one drug fits all, but we built this therapy just for you. And sure, this isn't going to replace every treatment tomorrow. It's expensive, complex, and let's be honest, not everyone has access to top tier genetic sequencing on day one. But this case proves it's possible. Personalized medicine isn't just a sci fi buzzword anymore. It's a real option, at least for the rarest and riskiest conditions. We're entering a new era, a world where you don't just inherit a genetic disorder, you might also inherit a shot at fixing it, one edit at a time. So if you ever feel like your college essay took forever, just remember, a team of scientists edited a baby's genome, fixed a liver disorder, and delivered it in under 6 months. No pressure. If you found that even a little mind-blowing, hit the like button. If you're hoping your mitochondria get a software update someday, maybe subscribe. Either way, welcome to the future.